No Answer. I absolutely love this song. It was the first song out of 100 that I wrote in a day. They were just like little short songs. Most of the songs were like 30 seconds or a minute long, but I was just coming up with ideas on the spot and singing it. And No Answer was the first one. I love this song so much because it explains my life to the T. It's like, I don't know how to make my dreams come true. I don't know how to get where I want to be in life, get to a point where I am financially stable and I can buy a house that's paid off. I won't have a car note. You know, you have to work really hard to get there. I understand, but I don't know what to do. I don't know which way to go. I don't know. I don't have an answer. And that's what No Answer was about. In that moment, it's like I just allowed myself to sing whatever I felt in my heart and in my mind at that time. And that's how I wrote No Answer.